Hello, welcome dear viewers. I welcome all of you in the King classes. Today we are going to show you the important national days of India which are important for the PAA Panchayat account assistant for current affairs, and you should have the knowledge of the national holidays and the national days of India. So it's important for you. You should go through this video so that you will obtain minimum 2 to 3 marks from this portion. Thanks, watch video and do subscribe to get the latest updates.